First of all, let me thank you for giving me the opportunity to be here, accompanying the main stage to the Commissioner Nelly Cruz, Carlos, and Deborah. It's a real pleasure. Back in 2010, I was attending Campus Party Europe, then in Madrid, and I was waiting in the queue for lunch. And in front of me, there was a distinguished woman that seemed like an important politician or executive. What I was sure is that she was not a campusera. I didn't talk with her, as she seemed pretty inaccessible, and also she seemed not to know a bit about technology. But last Campus Party Europe, then in Berlin last year, I figured out that she was Nelly Cruz, vice-president of the European Commission. And I think my ideas were not so crazy because she chose me to take part on her Young Advisors group, where she always listens what I have to say with attention. And I hope that you will listen to me as well, despite my age. I have to say that after 3 years, I realized that she has a campusera in her soul. I'm Iván Cuende, a 17-year-old hacker entrepreneur. I created my first free software project at age 12, my first startup at age 15. I have been chosen as the best hacker of Europe under 18 years old. But since I was 12 and I got in this very dynamic technology scene, I always had a question. Why the world's best startups are American? I think that technology is what drives the world nowadays. It's what evolves faster every single day, and what creates the difference between the poor and the rich countries. So if the US or China dominate technology, they dominate the world, and they actually do. We have a lot of talent here in Europe. The web was first created here in the UK, and there are also really famous startups that are European, such as, for example, Spotify, SoundCloud, Shazam, Robio, Badoo. But if you think about famous American startups, the list could be really, really longer. Those who could give up essential liberty to purchase a little temporary safety deserve neither liberty nor safety, said Benjamin Franklin, one of the founder fathers of the US. It seems like the US government has totally forgot what their founder fathers stood up for. I think they have gone just too far with PRISM. Commissioner, please do not let that happen in the European Union ever. The media shared with all of us that we could be spied. We know that since months, but we have done almost anything. We should be switching to providers that respect our privacy. I tried too, but figured out that the quality of that alternative services or applications is just subpar. But that's a huge opportunity for European startups. So we can create that open and free services that will power the privacy-respectful, not tracked, and free internet of the future. And also, there is a huge opportunity for European startups to become the next Google, Apple, or Facebook. But first of all, we need an open platform to power all that applications that will change the global landscape of startups. Amazon seems to have a monopoly on platform as a service, and they are doing pretty well. But the problem with Amazon is that they are American, so the NCA has all the data your app produces. Now that we have FI-WARE, developers just need to build on top of an open API, an open platform, with European providers that will respect your privacy. But FI-WARE is not an Amazon copy or an Amazon cloud, since it includes other features, for example, APIs to work with big data, context, sensors, for example, and standard APIs, so you are not restricted to one single provider anymore. We hackers don't care about age or location. We care about code. We care about building awesome stuff. We care about dreams and how we can make them become a reality. From the European Commission, we trust on you all, giving you the tools you need to build the future, to create something really new, and to change the world. But please, do it now. We only have one shot. We can't be late. The NCA could be spying every single one step we do, and Asia is leading the world. According to well-known predictions, in 2025, the 61% of the world's population will be Asian, while only the 6.5% will be European. And Asia will become the world's leader in research and development. 30% of Europe's population will be over 65 years old, and none of the European countries will be among the 10 most populated countries of the world. We must start innovating now that we can, or it may be too late. So please, let me invite you to the workshops that are going to take place during this awesome campus party. Today at 4 p.m., we are going to get started with FI-WARE, so you can start creating amazing applications or services. Tomorrow at 10 a.m., we'll learn how to host your applications and connect them to our Raspberry Pi and sensors. And at 4 p.m., we will have more advanced workshops on web user interfaces with FI-WARE. There will be like 1 million euros in prizes and challenges and hackathons. Yeah, that's a lot of money. So I think it's really cool to participate, and I really hope you are really into this technology and you will build awesome applications from here, from Europe. If you want to predict the future, just start building it. Thank you.